Hello everyone and welcome back to Arilla Crypto. In today's video, I'm explaining the evening star pattern, which is one of the most important star patterns. I already explained doji star and shooting star candle pattern in my previous videos, which you can click and watch them and then come back. Star patterns show the confusion and uncertainty in the market, where the traders can't decide whether to open a long position or a short position. Star patterns are triple candle patterns, which means they have 3 candles. The color of the star bodies, whether in ceiling or floors, is not significant. Let's start from the evening star pattern, which forms at the end of an uptrend. The evening star pattern appears in ceilings and takes the form of a 3-candle pattern, which the presence of a gap between the first candle and the star candle is essential for the formation of this pattern. In this example shown here, we see that a gap has been created between the first candle and the star candle, which is necessary for forming this pattern. However, between the third candle as the completer of this pattern and the star candle, there is no need for a gap. Although if there is a gap between the third candle and the star candle, meaning a gap has been created before and after the star candle, this pattern will be stronger and more valid, making it an ideal pattern in the realm of candlesticks. Watch the video till the end and tell me in comments that which of these patterns are stronger, 1, 2, or 3. Now we want to see how to trade with this pattern. As I mentioned, this pattern is a continuation pattern in an uptrend forming on ceilings. Here in this shape, we notice the creation of an uptrend and a powerful candle forming here in continuation of the uptrend. However, the star candle with a gap has appeared here, and to complete this 3-candle pattern, the third candle has also opened with a gap. This third candle is the key. If it's strong and red, it adds more credibility to the power of evening star candle. Here we see the trend has changed from uptrend to downtrend, but to enter this trade, a sell position can be initiated at the end of the 4th candle and around the end of the 3rd candle. Let's see some real chart examples. Here in a downtrend, with a hammer or doji or shooting star pattern, the trend has changed. However, we see that a powerful upward candle has formed along the trend, followed by an evening star candle, and then a downward candle with a gap has formed here, adding credibility to the pattern, and the trend has changed from upward to downward. We can even have evening star candle pattern with 4 candles, as you can see here, which contains of 2 doji candles. In previous sellings, we see that 2 evening star patterns have formed and caused the trend to change from uptrend to downtrend. In the next chart, again we have an uptrend which changed to downtrend with evening star pattern in the ceiling. Here, although there is no gap between second and third candle, but again, it's powerful enough to change the trend and be a strong evening star pattern. Hope you liked this video, and if it was helpful, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more candlestick pattern videos.